Throw away the official roadmap. It's designed to keep you overwhelmed. That official roadmap is a map of a maze. You will not start there. Your first real step is claiming your own territory. This month is about action. You will go to the SAP BTP website and actually provision your personal, free-tier global account. This is your launchpad. Theory is passive. Owning an environment is power. Here's the truth. This structure defines everything you do. A global account is your enterprise contract. Inside it, sub-accounts are isolated, independent environments for development, testing, or production. Visualize it as an apartment building. Your global account is the whole building, and each sub-account is a separate, secure unit where your actual work happens. Stop. Forget the official documentation for a second. You cannot effectively secure or manage a single user unless you first crack this fundamental security model. Your entire system's governance hangs on distinguishing system-wide platform roles in BTP from the centralized, customer-managed identities in the Identity Authentication Service. Master this distinction now, or you will fight access issues forever. Think of it this way, right now, you are just reading blueprints. Your first deployment is like laying the cornerstone. It makes it real. That simple HTML5 app. That's your proof. It is the tangible win that changes you from a passive reader into the active builder who will govern this platform. That confidence shift is everything. Let's make it happen. Most BTP courses teach you the wrong thing first. Right now, you are thinking destinations are just technical settings. They are your primary security perimeter. A misconfigured destination can expose your entire backend. So you will not just create one, you will architect it with principle of least privilege, validating every authentication type and trust setup. This month is about moving from a simple connection to a secure, governed gateway. Stop using your sub-account's default identity provider. That built-in SAP ID service is for testing, not production. It is a glaring, ungoverned backdoor. You must establish explicit trust with a dedicated IS tenant. This is non-negotiable. It centralizes control, enforces consistent policies, and finally allows you to properly manage who gets access to your BTP applications and data. Your roles are your live security policy. This isn't about access, it's about restricting it. Ruthlessly segment capabilities into granular role collections and map them to user groups in IS. Assign users to groups, never directly to roles. This meticulous design is your single, scalable line of defense against credential theft and internal risk. Do not just watch events, intervene. You'll master creating custom alert rules on the audit log service, transforming raw data into proactive security. This is your automated sentinel. It's not about finding what happened, it's about preventing the next breach. You build the alerts that wake you up before a critical system is compromised. BTP isn't about coding, it is your new control room. You have built and deployed your first app. Now, your focus shifts to stability. You will define your cloud foundry landscape, an organization for your company, and within it, dedicated spaces for development, testing, and production. This strict separation ensures your live applications are completely isolated from ongoing development work, creating safety and order. Think your app is on autopilot after deploying? Wrong. Runtime is a living system. Think of alerts and metrics as your vital signs monitor. Logs just tell you the patient is sick. These tools show your app's real-time pulse, catching issues before your users do. This is your command center for health. Think of entitlements and quotas as the blueprint for your platform's power grid. You cannot just install a server, you need capacity. Without understanding this map, your critical project stops at launch. These aren't just checkboxes, they are how you strategically scale and control your entire landscape. Imagine your first live production application patching your users rely on. This month, we eliminate that fear. You will master blue-green deployments, orchestrating seamless, zero-downtime updates. One environment serves live traffic while you silently stage and test the new version behind the curtain. You will execute this critical switch, making system disruptions a thing of the past. Most admins never launch an app. Here's the 90-day blueprint they won't tell you. Stop just reacting to issues. This month, you start preventing them. Use workflow management to automate approvals, notifications, and complex business processes directly on the platform. You will move from manual tasks to orchestrating entire workflows, giving your development teams self-service and making your operations truly proactive. This is a core enterprise skill. Shift from orchestrating known processes to reacting instantly to the unknown. The event mesh connects every system in your landscape. When a critical event occurs anywhere, an order, an outage, a data update, you can now trigger immediate, automated responses across applications, ensuring no crucial signal is ever missed and your entire digital ecosystem is intelligently alive. You have been the conductor, expertly orchestrating your predefined services. Now, you become the composer, writing the music itself. With the BTP CLI, your keyboard is the instrument. You'll script commands, automating the routine and unleashing the potential of your landscape. This is how you move from manual operations to creating powerful, repeatable symphonies of efficiency. You've automated the foundation. Now, visualize its performance. Dive into SAP Build Apps. Drag and drop components to craft a custom, real-time admin dashboard. This is your command center. See service health, usage metrics, and costs at a glance, without writing a line of code. Transform raw data into clear insight and command your landscape with confidence. Most BTP courses mislead you. This is the real, unglamorous path to mastery. You have learned the core components, now it is time to connect them. A real admin does not manage isolated tools, but a living system. We will build that pipeline, moving data from a backend source through the integration suite to a live build app, proving you can orchestrate the full stack and solve actual business problems. Turn off autopilot. That shiny pipeline you just built. It is bleeding money right now. Cost control isn't a button you press later, it is the architecture. Your first job is to become a financial architect for your own environment. Master consumption reports, dissect every line item, and set aggressive budget alerts before a single line of code hits production. This discipline is what separates an administrator from an owner. Look at your dashboard. Does it show a healthy system or just a running one? The final certification isn't about passing a test, it is about proving you can design for availability, secure real data, and recover from real failure. You are being tested on the judgment to architect a resilient platform, not just administer it. Now, transition from documentation to orchestration. Connect your system to an external service using the BTP Cockpit, design the data flow, and make it robust. You are not just documenting a checklist, you are crafting the nervous system of a live platform. The real test is how it adapts and communicates under pressure.